Hello, today I'm going to show you about one of the best AI app for remove the picture background and include over 1,000 plus background templates in stock and available on Android and iOS. As you can see in the video, you just import your picture that you want to remove background or the picture that you want to change your background into this app, then AI will work for you as well. And there are a lot of background style in stock. And you also can save or export your picture without background as well. And you also can add your background picture or change your background color or add text to your pictures in this app as well. Okay, there are a lot of background styles, and after you install this AI app on your phone, then you can check them all by yourself, and the download link I have provided in description. And if you don't want to remove your background, you can select an original picture to add text and edit color as well. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to download and install this AI app on your phone. Just click on the link that I have provided in description or copy the link in description to paste in your browser. And after you download finished, open your Files Manager and click on Downloads folder. Then click on your AI app APK file. Then click on Install. Then click on Install anyway. Then you need to wait a few minutes until the installation finished. And after the installation finished, you can click Open or click Done, and go back to home screen. Then open the app. And if you are not sure to complete the steps, then you can follow the video. And as you can see, this AI app APK file was already subscribed to a pro user, so all features are already unlocked as well. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, then please hit the like button, and feel free subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.